If you are looking for the best motorcycle GPS tracker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, America-Lock GL300W Mini Portable Real-Time GPS Tracker. This is a small and compact motorcycle tracker. It can be attached to anything and anyone, from assets to family, vehicles, employees, etc. It is incredibly lightweight and portable and can be transported in the comfort of your pocket, car, cases, backpacks, and boxes. It features a rechargeable battery and a full year's worth of historical data memory. Even though you can configure and draw custom zones, the GL300W by default detects events such as parking, movement, device on and off, speeding, low battery, among others. This motorbike tracker has one of its unique features being its ability to help you configure your email notifications for specific events. Number 2. Optimus 2.0 4G LTE Tracking Device. This motorcycle GPS enjoys a unique routing feature, while every user benefits from the device's compatibility with both Android and iPhone apps for fast track and smooth tracking. The Optimus GPS tracker has a battery life of 1 to 2 weeks once it's been fully charged. The frequency with which your tracker reports the location of an item directly affects the battery charge consumption. Keep the people and items that mean the most to you close all the time with the Optimus GPS tracker. Number 3. Track 4 GPS Tracker. The Track 4 GPS tracker for vehicles is the best on the market as it provides users with notifications of all sorts. You get to know when your vehicle moves off a certain location. This GPS tracker is the best motorcycle tracker developed by professionals to protect your beloved valuables. Thanks to its unlimited supply of 3G data, you merely need to sign in and tracking begins for your selected item. There's no need for users to sign any contracts or pay for activation or cancellation. It is a typical case of plug and play. Number 4. Prime Tracking Personal GPS Tracker. This 4G LTE tracker can be used in vehicles, motorcycles, luggage, strollers, etc. This tracker is compact, portable, sturdy, fast, and reliable. The app has a historical route feature that shows you everywhere the device has been and for how long, including the time period. The geofencing works great, and the size of the fence can be adjusted. You can also monitor the parking duration. In addition, there is an SOS button on the tracker that sends an immediate alert if pressed. Number 5. Techstar GPS Tracker for Motorcycle. Once you purchase the Techstar Hidden GPS Tracker, the only other cost you must bear is the purchase of a SIM card that supports 2G. There are no monthly fees or payment for traffic when you're not using the app. This GPS tracker supports both Android/iOS and the web and provides users with location information automatically. Experience real-time free tracking, LBS/GPS mode positioning with an accuracy of up to 5 meters. This device features the geofence element that helps you set a range of geofence on your map.
Thanks for watching the video.